Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, it's Dominique. Look at my hair, I just pulled this one out. Okay, you already know, if you have not watched part 1, 2, and 3, I've self-installed DIY my Microlocs, so welcome back and stop right here. If you have not watched those videos, go watch them. Also, subscribe. I need you to subscribe. Yes, I need you to subscribe. I need you to like. I need you to hit the notification bell. I got that out the way. Let's talk about these. Yes, let's talk about these. So I'm here today because in part 3, I showed you day 3 and 4. I've been wearing my hair in a ponytail because I've been waiting to do this. I'm so excited. I'm going to be adding my Supa Luxx oil, my hydration mist, which I added to water, and I'm going to put a little okay, I'm going to put a little foaming lotion at the end. But look at these babies. Oh my God. So if you don't know, I did self-install these DIY. I'm loving how full they look. So I'm debating if I should wet them. Of course, they did foam up a little bit. Well, curl up. I don't know why I said foam up, but just the steam from the heat of taking showers. I like this look. Like, what? So now I'm debating if I want to do this today. I'm debating if I want to do this today because it looks so good. Wait, hold up. Hold up. Hold on. Wait. I don't know if I want to do these today. I've been wearing them up. In a bun. I don't keep my ends out. This is how I used to wear my... Wait, not, this is too loose, but usually it's like this. But now that I see my ends, listen, baby, hold on. I decided to just go through with it. Why not? But I am loving this. I'm just gonna take a minute because once I go curly, I'm not going to see this again unless I straighten it out or something. And who wants to do that? Maybe I'll do that. And if you hear talking, that's Sydney in the background on the phone with her friends. Look at that. Let me change it to a robe and get a towel. Look at that. I'm loving this. Some people might think it looks straggly, but I think it looks good. Like, what? Maybe I won't. Let me know. I'm going to end this. Maybe I should just keep it for as long as possible. I waited to use my oil because I didn't want to mess. You know, if you're not a hairstylist, you put oil in your hair after any style because you don't want to mess with the products you're using to style your hair. That's worldwide, international, all over the all over the hair community, period. So what y'all think? Y'all. Okay. How about I just put the water on the ends for now? This golden hour is just eating them up, eating it up. Oh my God. These are hard decisions. Okay. Would you want to wear your hair like this for a while? Or just add the water? I feel like I never see people, the girls who get locks, just let their, you see this one? How it's just curled a little, just a little. Or down here, just a little, you know? That's all you need, just a little. So, this video was me excited, coming on here excited to add my hydrating mist and water to my Microlocs, because that's what you do. But I'm just loving it. Just like a little curl. A little curl. And I'm going back to the gym tomorrow, so I'm just playing with it. But y'all, this is in real time. I'm not going to edit this because I think you can see my thought process, so I like it like that. But this is once again my journey, and your lock journey is your lock journey. The sun. Your lock journey is your lock journey, and don't allow people to tell you how to do your journey. Like, people like to tell me, give suggestions to Sydney about the way she should wear her hair and what she should do, but it's not our hair, it's Sydney's hair. You know, it's her lock journey. So everything Sydney does, I give suggestions and I guide her gently, and give, you know, because I went to school for hair, I know hair. I give her suggestions, but overall it's her journey. She can wear her hair the way she wants to wear her hair. That's basically it, and this is my journey. I can wear my locks the way I want to wear my locks, and I'm loving it like this for a while. And then I guess I'll come back here when I'm ready to add the water. I didn't even add the oil yet. Just gonna put a little bit on my, not a lot, just enough on my scalp. Feels good and smells good. Y'all, I really was gonna come over here, come here and do a whole video on me reverting my hair, reverting my curls. Ooh, that feels good. I'm gonna put a little right here. Ooh, yeah, that feels good. Okay. And I love it because I could just wear it in a ponytail. The ponytail look kind of crazy, but I'll wear it up. And then down eats. Let me close these blinds a little bit. Down eats. Look at that. So anyway, I'm going to save this video for another time. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being with me through my already, it's been 4 or 5 days. It's been 4 or 5 days. And I'm loving it so far. It's just so easy. And that's what I've always wanted. Easy. I couldn't do this for a long time. I couldn't do that. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. And so far, so good. I'm happy. So far, I don't know how I will feel about it next week. But this week has been life-changing for me. Thanks for being here throughout my thought process. I'm really, as I go, I'm just going to document everything as I go throughout this journey. How I feel, products, life. I go to the gym. This is another reason why Locs were for me, because I'm back in the gym and I'm just loving it. I'm loving it, as y'all can see. I love it. So if you want to stick with me, let's do this. If I'm encouraging you to get Locs, or you thinking about Locs, stick with me. Even if you don't have Locs, stick with me, because I still do my daughter's hair. We vlog, we cook, we have family events. I'm probably going to be documenting my fitness journey. Anything. This is our life. I've been here for a long time. A long time. But I'm back, new and improved. So thank you for watching. Don't allow life to eat you up. Okay? We're here to grab life by its neck and shake it up. Okay? That's going to be my new thing. We're here to grab life by its neck and shake it up. Okay? We're going to shake it up. We're going to shake it up. We're going to shake it up. That was spur of the moment. I don't know if I'm going to use that or not, but I love it. We're here to grab life by its neck and shake it up. All right, I will see you in my next video, and have a great day. Great, and you define great for your life. Okay, bye.